you with it, drop it.
Hi guys, I'm Erica May Manalo, a third-year student of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Now I am going to share 50 tools and equipment in the kitchen and their uses. Cake pan, used to bake cakes. Non-stick pan, coated with material that prevents food from sticking to the surface while cooking or frying. Oven, used for baking and cooking. Instant read thermometer, used to measure the temperature of food to know if it has been cooked properly. Mixing bowls, use it for mixing together salad dressing, marinades, and sauces, for mixing eggs, or even for storing leftovers. Bone or filleting knife, used to separate meat from bone, used to fillet fish. Mass scale, used to measure the mass of an ingredient. It can be operated manually or digitally. Measuring cup, used to measure wet and dry ingredients. Saucepan, used to make sauces and gravies. Casserole, used where food may be cooked or served. Roasting pan, used to roast meat and fish. Dinner knife, used during meal. Shaker or drager, used to hold flour, herbs, salt, pepper, and other same ingredients that are sprinkled on foods that are being prepared. Handy poultry and roasting tools, used to lift a hot roasted poultry from the roaster to the serving platter without it falling apart. Garlic press, used to crush garlic cloves efficiently by forcing them through a grid of small holes. Storage container, used to store food that you're going to carry for lunch to work. Funnels, used to pour without spillage liquids or small grain ingredients into containers with a small opening. Strainer, used to separate liquid from solid ingredients, sieve fine grains, remove lumps, and rinse food. Baster, used to moisten the surface of meat with pan drippings, sauces, or butter. Flipper, used to flip or turn and lift pancakes, fillet, and other kinds of food while frying and grilling. Emery boards and sharpened steel, used to sharpen knives. Pasta spoon or server, used to transfer a little or much cooked pasta to a plate or container without a mess. Kitchen shears, used for cutting, snipping, and cracking nuts. Pastry blender, used to cut shortening into dry ingredients. Wooden spoon, used to mix, stirs, and beat foods. Meat slicer, used to slice roasted meat, ham, and thick solid cuts of meat. Mixer, used for beating, folding, and whipping ingredients. Range refers to the combination of stovetop and oven into one kitchen equipment. Turbo broiler, used for broiling and roasting. Potato masher, used for mashing cooked potatoes, turnips, carrots, or other soft cooked vegetable. Two-tine fork, used to hold meats while slicing and to turn solid pieces of meat while browning. Stove, rely on the application of direct heat for the cooking process. Refrigerator and freezer, used to keep food fresh, prevent food spoilage, and inhibit the growth of bacteria. Grater, used to create a more refined substance. Blender, used to grate, grind, stir, blend, mix different kinds of food. Tongs, used to grip and lift hot foods. Steamer, used for steaming food like siopaw, siomai, and fish. Colander, used to drain food such as pasta. Measuring spoons, used to measure very small amount of either liquid or dry ingredients. Whisk, used to properly mix your ingredients like eggs. Kitchen towel, helps in drying your hands, drying the plates and utensils, and cleaning the countertops. Paring knife, used for peeling and paring fruits and vegetables. Vegetable peeler, it makes it easier for you to peel carrots, sweet potatoes, and many other different kinds of vegetables. Bread knife is a crucial kitchen tool because it lets you cut your bread into the slice sizes that you want. Chopping board. This is one of the basic tools in the kitchen. You will be using it every time you prepare meals. Spatula, used for making, spreading, and even flipping food. Frying pan. You can cook almost about anything in a frying pan, from frying to searing to sauteing. Chef knife, used for slicing, chopping, mincing, and dicing. Can or bottle opener, used to open different kind of bottles. Cleaver, somewhat heavy and has rectangular shape. I hope you have learned in this video. Thank you!